Hi everyone, I'm coming here because I would like to have a chat. It's not really a chat, I want to play something for you, but I want you to hear what it says, okay? And Jane Elephant, so I'm going to go ahead and play this.
Majority of the workforce that they have for things like the ICC all actually abducted slaves.
They're abducted slaves and people that go and apply for a job, they get a job, they're happy, they go to work, and then become a slave.
But you've also described in other episodes that there are plenty of extraterrestrials who are not going to be local to our solar system, and they are also picking up slaves for a variety of different reasons as well, and we may have no idea what those people are doing.
How this really all turned into such a huge trade is that in the beginning of when we started having contact with non-terrestrials, we were allowing them to abduct humans and take humans. And there were so many humans that were never coming back. So the very morally bankrupt people
I just want these are demons.
in this cabal decided, wait a minute, if we can hold off the non-terrestrials, we can trade these people for technology.
What is the estimate, or if there's a sliding scale of estimates, as to how many people per year are being brought into this?
Well, I remember the statistic for worldwide disappearances is like 1 million people.
And if that's happening every year, it could be very sizable.
Yes, it's millions of people have been taken off this planet.
So we could literally be talking about many millions of people who have been brought off this planet into this world in various ways.
Yes, that are being brought into the slave trade. And then you also have to remember that the people we were just talking about that lived on these, that are slaves on these Mars facilities, they, over the decades, began to have children. And these children are born into slavery. So it's generations of slaves are up there.
And Tompkins corroborated a lot of things that you've said very precisely, including this idea of like a brain drain or the different echelons, different tiers of people being brought in.
This is one of the biggest topics that the cabal doesn't want anyone to know about. This is one of the things, if we have full disclosure and people find out about all these crimes against humanity, it's going to be a crazy day on planet Earth.
Pleasant progress. Los Angeles Police Department vehicle passing directly overhead. Okay, we've got pleasant progress. Direct overhead. Here it comes. Coming hot. Black and white LAPD. Thought base buzz. Right. Direct overhead the area. We're uploading reptilian shapeshifter movies to YouTube. Are the reptilians our friends? I'm starting to think not, because this is psychological warfare. Most people get freaked out. A girl just told me that she was ran out of LA from that. Direct overhead, black and white. Direct overhead.
Then this. You notice it's serrated on the sides and it's serrated on the top. Look what's coming out of the back of it in color. 5 separate gases coming out of this reptilian tanker, dropping 5 gases at 300 feet. You're smoking their gas today because they drop this gas only on technically advancing communities on the planet. Okay? Every 4 to 6 weeks. So you could be getting it today. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They didn't see it because everybody's minds are controlled to not see it, just like a stealth system. So the commander of this squadron made sure that stealth was turned on. He forgot to turn on the stealth that prevents the camera from photographing it. mind controlled, not for the last couple of weeks, but for thousands of years. And that's back to the Romans again. Their minds were controlled. And it's hard for us to accept that somebody's controlled my mind. And particularly, now this is extremely important, particularly because the brilliant PhDs in all technical fields, these people are the most important for everything that we need in science. But their minds have been controlled. So they won't listen to what some of the rest of us are talking about because they know everything. But what they've been taught in those books at the university is all lies. Every technical field, it's all lies. It's incorrect. And it's preventing people that put in the 8 years or whatever, knowing everything now, to accept this subject. That's the reason Congress didn't accept it. When the MUFON went back to Congress, the Democrats and the Republicans, neither one of them, their head all knobby, up and down, yeah. 10 minutes later, it was removed because they were already programmed. Their minds were programmed not to accept that.
So you're probably wondering why I'm continuing to bring this, because it's very important. And that's that. People have to know what's going on and why people can't accept it or don't know what's going on. Everyone's a lot influenced by what's going on. So this is something separate than what we were seeing, and I wanted to bring that also. We get a lot of orbs here. We get a lot of, a couple of videos ago I did one with what looked like, I thought, creatures, and yeah, so I've been wanting to stay a small channel, and that's why I don't cover a lot of different things. But how many things are you going to take with sunrises, sunsets, ridiculous videos? I mean, they're not ridiculous, they're beautiful, but the picture is so much bigger, and we need to be bringing more, but we need to be bringing some proof to things. You know, some really shocking things. So that's why I tape this kind of thing. My hologram videos. You know how many I threw away before I started bringing them? I didn't know what people were going to think of it. This place here, I watched it for a long time before I started taping it. I mean, I have to go through so much to decide what to bring. Because I want to stay a small channel, and I want to stay here. No one's going to know how to find me. There's so much I want to show and bring, but I have to be careful, you know. I mean, I didn't go to the ISS for over a year because I was afraid, you know, because of the things that were happening. So, yeah, I just want to stay small and be able to bring things, but it's getting harder to do that because there is so much going on, and all the channels that I watch, I pretty much kind of like show you to go to their channels, so that, yeah, it's being revealed that way. But I don't know, I'm getting an itch to get a little more involved. I know too many things and see too many things, and I want to bring more. So this is why I'm doing the videos the way I'm doing them. I hope you understand. Hope it's okay with you. And yeah, I just thought I owe you a bit of an explanation on all this. And I needed to bring you to a place to entertain you while I did so. So this is that place. You know me in this place. Yeah. So I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to wrap it up. And talk to you soon. God bless you all. Love you all. And you know what these... everything is based on the fallen technology, demons, so on and so forth. That's where I stand on this. Yeah. So, just wanted to do that share. Bye-bye.